I would say just granola bars because I can't run with like food in my system.
Gatorade. And maybe a sandwich.
Boom Chicka Pop popcorn and strawberries.
I love cuties, pineapple, and strawberries. Those are like my #1 snacks. You will always see me with that of me.
Granola bars.
Oh, goldfish. I like goldfish.
I like granola bars.
Cheez-Its and oranges.
Cheez-Its. I like Cheez-Its.
Goldfish and Nutella.
Probably like an apple, then I buy food.
Jersey Mike's sandwiches.
I love a good Chipotle bowl.
Canes.
Chipotle. A sandwich.
Canes.
Canes.
Ooh, Stonefire.
Oh, I love pasta. I would go with pasta. Any fast food place.
In and out.
Chipotle.
Anything that's like super bad for you because I don't get to eat it throughout the rest of the week, so it's like my cheat day.